Good morning, everybody. Am I audible, man?
Good morning, sir.
Just note down this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, yes, sir.
Completed this?
1 minute, sir.
No, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Hello? Completed.
Yes, sir. Complete.
See here. First thing yesterday, what we learned? Force on a particle with respect to an observer having acceleration A. Force on a particle with respect to an observer having an acceleration A. Okay, with respect to ground. Understood the statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's say observer is some A, for example. Okay, that means the acceleration of A with respect to ground is A. Understood this? Is acting on a particle mass of particle into minus of acceleration of A with respect to ground. Agreed this?
Yes, sir.
So this is force of an observer. Okay. Is this fellow is moving. Okay. Note on this. This is what we learned earlier. Remember this? Now we shall
Yes, sir.
apply.
Sir, this formula is used for the sum of all forces.
Hmm? Hmm? Sum of all forces, no?
No, sir, I'm asking for which kind of situations this formula is used.
For everything, we proved this yesterday, na?
Yes, sir, you proved, sir.
For any situation. That's why I'll do this problem using this only. Okay?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Note it down as
Not out, sir.
now let us apply this to this situation wherein this cart is moving with acceleration A. The acceleration of cart with respect to ground. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
A person A is the acceleration of A with respect to cart.
R by 3.
This is the acceleration of dog. Okay, this is also dog also given. Okay, relative to the cart only. That is also given. Okay, now there is an observer here. What is his acceleration? This is what he has given. First, we have to understand what is given. Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
Let's go ahead.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the first one he is asking? Net force on whom? With respect to B. That means mass of dog into acceleration of dog with respect to B. This is actually equation, no?
Yes, sir.
Plus mass of dog into minus of acceleration of B with respect to ground. The same equation I wrote. Any doubt is there, you can ask. Hello?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Well, let us find. Dog with respect to, okay, we'll do like, we'll write it directly with cart. You can write like this, no?
Yes, sir.
One second. Acceleration of dog with respect to B is nothing but do you agree with this?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Or we can say
Sir, then we can reduce that now, sir. Acceleration of dog with respect to cat, acceleration of dog minus acceleration of cat. We can extend it now, sir.
this one, huh?
No, sir, down that.
Now what do you want to do?
No, sir, we can extend it now, sir. We can furthermore acceleration of dog with respect to cat, sir. We can write as acceleration of dog minus acceleration of cat.
Where is dog with respect to cat?
No, sir, you wrote there now, sir. Acceleration, which you cut at there.
This one, huh?
Yes, sir, in the last one, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. I'll write this. Wait. Okay. Till here, any doubt is there in this?
No, sir.
Anyhow, this is 0, no?
Yes, sir.
This fellow is not having any acceleration now. Mass of dog is m. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, actually, this is nothing but B is a threshold, you know. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Since acceleration of B is same as acceleration of ground, that is 0, no? Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
Mass into acceleration of dog.
4a by 3, sir.
Yes, you can write like this directly. Dog with respect to cart plus cart with respect to the ground. What is the dog with respect to cart? You got
By 3.
a by 3 minus I. Cart with respect to ground is
Minus,
ai.
minus 9.
How much is comes to 3a, 2a? Okay, 3a minus 2a
2a by
by
3.
3.
Yeah.
Therefore, what is the force?
2a by 3.
As observed by B is m into how much? Do you agree with this? Any doubt is there? You can ask. Hello?
Doubt, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Finish?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See here, what is the second one he get? Rate of change of linear momentum.
Linear momentum.
Linear momentum means P of dog relative to A. This is what he said. This is nothing but mass of dog, okay, into acceleration of dog with respect to A. Sorry, velocity of dog with respect to A. Do you agree with this? That is only linear momentum now. Mass into velocity of dog with respect to A. Mass into acceleration of dog with respect to A. That's what we need now.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. What is the acceleration of dog with respect to A? Acceleration of dog with respect to cart minus acceleration of A with respect to cart. Because while writing relative motion, this should be common. That's all. It can be anything. It may be ground or anything. Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is acceleration of A with respect to cart? So how much it will be? 0. Understood this? Any doubt is there?
No, sir. It is clear. Clear, sir.
See, shall I go ahead? Force
Yes.
on a particle who, with respect to an observer A having acceleration of A with respect to ground is equal to what? Mass of particle, remember this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can do like this. Is equal to sum of forces on particle with respect to non-accelerating, means observer, one who is not accelerating. Okay. Plus what I should take? Mass of particle, remember this, into minus of,
acceleration of A with respect.
now this particular one, this is what we call it as forces with respect to a non-accelerating observer. We call it as real forces. Okay, these forces we call it as pseudo forces. Okay, or F-I-C-T-I-T-I-O-U-S, fictitious forces. Okay, or non-inertial forces. These are the names given. Why they are given, we shall see shortly. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note on this. Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
See, it's a common experience. Suppose you are in a bus. Did you ever observe? This bus is at rest now. You are standing on the bus. Bus is at rest. Following what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now suddenly the bus, this is acceleration of bus with respect to ground starts. What will happen to you? Your mass is m. In which direction you will move?
Backward. Backward.
Backward. Did you ever observe? This is only what I am using. Nobody are pushing you. Nobody are pulling. Nothing is there. Just bus started, you are moving. Okay? Followed?
Yes.
Clear now? Because the origin is not known, we call it as pseudo. Pseudo means origin is not known. For example, gravitation mg. Why it is coming? Due to gravitational attraction of the earth. You are pushing a body. That means there is a contact force. You are touching that. Followed? So those we have origin, they're called as real forces. What are these called? Origin is known. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
This is origin is not known.
Sir, can you explain the bus example once again?
See, you're standing on a bus, man. Bus is at rest. Suddenly the bus starts. Your experience is in which direction you'll move? Not only bus, even bike also. Suppose you're sitting on the bus, suddenly he accelerates from start. What will happen to you?
We'll move backwards, sir.
You will move backwards, no? That's the reason you will catch the fellow who is riding, no? With your hands. Why do you do that? Because you're going backwards. Where from you're going? Who is pushing you? There should be a force to push you, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. So this force is not known. Origin is not known. But you are experiencing that. So that means origin is not known, but you are experiencing. Such forces are called as pseudo forces. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear or
Yes, sir.
not?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Sir, can you turn the previous page once?
You join later.
No, sir. I didn't copied it.
This one, no? Previous page. Before this, I taught this one. Understood what is pseudo force? This is only
Yes, sir.
pseudo force. What is it called? This one is called as pseudo force. This force is only called as pseudo force or fictitious force. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Finished this? Any doubt is there in this?
Completed, sir. No doubt. Sir.
Followed?
Yes, sir.
See, this is observed, experienced by you. Understand one thing? Now come back to this. Another observer is there. Will this fellow experience that?
No, sir.
For him, how do you appear? For this fellow, how do you appear? Acceleration. So what do you say? This fellow feels that along with bus you are going, no?
Yes,
So,
sir.
who is not accelerating feels that man must accelerate with acceleration because he's at rest on, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
With bus acceleration.
So according to him, force on M as observed by whom?
O.
is mass into acceleration of bus with respect to ground. That's all. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? The pseudo forces are experienced by whom? Only by observers in which frame? Accelerating frame.
In body.
Sir, why is it positive, sir? According to
Pardon?
observer, why
Pardon?
is according to observer, why is acceleration of body with bus with ground positive? The man is coming back, no, sir. In a,
But that he is not coming. He'll just go for a while backside. But he moves in the forward direction. No? It is experienced by
yes, sir.
him.
Yes,
Overall, he moves along with the bus only, no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood it, what I am saying?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood this? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my request is don't get worried, boggled, because these are all in IIT advanced and names. Very important concept. Initially, they will be difficult. Slowly, I'm telling now, by next May, June, it will become comfortable. That is the experience with many seniors. Because we don't have such students who already. What? Doubt? Somebody asked last week. Anybody is there who asked like that?
Yes, sir.
Which part? Your,
Yes, sir. After this.
huh?
After this.
After this is this one we have done.
Only your bus one.
That's all.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You will be having some patience. So the whole story is pseudo force acting on a particle is equal to will be only with respect to an observer. Okay, accelerating, say acceleration A with respect to ground is A bar equals what? Mass of particle, that's what we have written now, into minus A, acceleration of A with respect to ground. That is what we learned just now, no? What is this? This is only pseudo force, no? Here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us see what is the mass of the particle here. What is asking? Pseudo force on top. Pseudo force acting on dog. Okay, with respect to whom? Is mass of dog into minus of acceleration of A with respect to ground, no? Do you agree with this or not? So acceleration
Yes,
of A with respect to ground is acceleration of ground with respect to cart with respect to ground. Acceleration of A with respect to, this is A by 3 minus I plus AI. How much it comes to? 2A by 3 I cap. Therefore, pseudo force equals mass into minus 2A That means 2MA by 3 minus I cap. Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts
Sir,
are there?
done. No, sir. No doubt.
కుర్చీ జరుపు ఇక్కడ జరప Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir. Completed.
1 minute, sir.
See, these are really, it is difficult. I don't say no, but they are required. Everything easy concepts means everybody will get IIT, no? But usually people won't teach this just because they want good name, no? For the sake of name, they avoid this. So you get irritated also sometimes, but have patience.
Yes, sir.
You done this?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, in the second one, what did you do, sir? Pseudo force acting on a dog with respect to observer.
Mass of the dog into acceleration of A with respect to ground minus. That's on a pseudo force, no? That is what this pseudo force here. Here. What is the
Yes,
pseudo
sir.
force here? Same thing, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Further doubts?
No, sir. No doubts.
See. Let us go ahead. Hello? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, crèche, LKG, UKG, nursery, class 1 to 10. 14 years time you gave to school teachers, no? With zero knowledge, nothing else. Maybe you may know some English as well, a little bit of
Yes,
reading.
sir.
Physics part, I am saying zero. Give me just 1 year time. By next June, I'll make you an expert in this physics. But come to class, be regular to class. And don't get scared. Anybody says anything, I'll talk to them after. Don't worry about marks and all. But I won't give easy papers, that's for sure. I can't cheat because God is observing all my activities. So first I should see that what all mistakes I do now I have to suffer during my death. I don't want that. Okay. Now observe this. Hello.
Yes, sir.
There is a person here. Okay. A. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Find pseudo force. Understood the question?
Yes, sir.
So that capital M is for the whole triangle, the mass.
This mass of the wedge.
Yes.
Anything is like this is called wedge. Or other name is inclined plane. Because this plane is inclined now.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
See, what is pseudo force actually?
Of the particle. Mass of particle into acceleration of themselves. Exactly.
Mass of particle, acceleration of observer with respect to followed.
Minus.
Understood this? By using this concept, you try.
Sir, minus acceleration of observer, no?
Yes, sir.
Whoa. With respect to what is the pseudo force? Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Oh, can you tell
Yes, sir.
what is the acceleration of A with respect to ground? Is nothing but force by mass,
Force
no?
into acceleration of. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this or not? Because A
Yes,
moves
sir.
along with M plus M, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how M plus M?
The system in mass is how much, man? What is the mass of this system? Total mass
Sum
of
of
the
the both
system.
mass.
Total mass in that.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, observer means it doesn't mean a person. It may be a point. Understood this? Origin. I'm showing like this. Agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Same thing with respect to observer A. What is the pseudo force on small m? Mass into acceleration of A with respect to ground. M into minus F. This is F by, MF by M plus M into minus I. Do you agree with this or not? Any doubt is there? Any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt. No, sir.
Can you do it with respect to B?
Sir.
Yes, sir. 0.
Yes.
Sir, zero,
Why?
sir, zero.
Yes, 0.
Acceleration of B is
Because B is at rest.
Not being zero,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See, now you understood what I'm working all these 2 days.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's why now you're able to answer something that means you learned 1%.
Yes, sir.
So first only understand that is not IIT. This is 0, no?
Yes, sir.
So there is won't be any pseudo force. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there till what I explained?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. Sir,
Until
with respect to observer A, why are we just taking the capital M, sir, for the first one? I mean, we should take both
we
now,
need
sir.
force on M, no? Only on M. Mass of particle and acceleration of observer with respect to ground, no?
Sir, can't we take M plus M, that capital M plus small m?
That is the
And then
total pseudo
multiply.
force. That is the total pseudo force. If you add this, you will get the same thing. Total pseudo force on mass M plus M. But he's asking M
Yes, sir.
separately, small m separately.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Shall I move this?
Yes, sir.
1
Sir,
minute, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, only thing these 2 days we learned is pseudo force on any particle. On a particle say mass m will be only with respect to observer who has acceleration with respect to what? Be careful. Ground. Understood this? Okay. And pseudo force particle is here. Remember, this is mass of particle. Be careful with this. Into minus of acceleration of observer with respect to what? Ground. Understood this clearly?
Yes, sir.
Right. Shall I go ahead? So, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can say that reference frame you see a frame okay. Understood? Observer means a point only. Don't think a person is standing there on that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Because you always
Yes,
observe
sir.
with respect to some point, no? For example,
Yes, sir.
you are 10 kilometers from something means what is the 10 km from your house? Your college is 10 kilometers from where? From your house. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here, reference frame. What does the reference frame contain? Is associated with a coordinate system, no?
Yes, sir.
To measure, what do you measure? Position. Okay. Happening in space. Do you agree with this? And a clock, because you'll be measuring na, t equals to 0, all that. And a clock to measure time of events. Following this or not?
Following, sir.
Sir.
That's the reason why you are able to specify, no? For example, what you say? Particle A is at x, y, z at time t. Remember this? This is with respect to observer. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Should turn this.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Sir, completed. Completed, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Sorry, sir.
See, come back to, let us observe one thing. There's a body like this man, say a box is laying here. Is the box moving? That
No.
means this fellow is at rest. And another fellow is moving like this with constant velocity. Another observer is there. This observer is moving with an acceleration A. See, this is mass M. Okay. Now A says force on A. The box is at rest now. Box is at rest means, hello? That means here net force on this is 0, no? So even, so force on M. There are, that means as sum of real forces is 0, no?
Yes, sir.
What are the real forces, can you tell? One is its weight. This is not falling means this is counterbalanced by what?
Normal.
Force on M by ground. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means this implies that mg is balanced by what?
Force on M by 2.
That means sum of real forces is 0. Do you agree with this?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, force on M with respect to A is sum of real forces plus mass into acceleration of A with respect to ground. This is pseudo force, no? This is zero. That fellow is at rest, zero. So he says that A says M is at rest now.
Sir.
Now let us see with respect to B. Force on M with respect to B is what you can say sum of the real forces plus mass into acceleration of what? Mass B with respect to ground. This is zero mass into zero. So what will B say? B says that M is
Particle M
rest.
is 0.
Do you agree with this story?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Right.
Sir.
Now
Yes.
come back to this. Now force on M with respect to this fellow C is sum of what? Real forces plus mass into minus of acceleration of C with respect to ground.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. So this is nothing but 0 plus M into minus I. That means minus MA I cap. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So what we can say? C says that M is accelerating. Understood this? Till here,
Yes, sir.
any doubt is there?
No doubt.
That means
No, sir.
Sir,
Follow
D
this?
is moving at constant velocity.
But
D
this
is
is
moving at
constant.
constant velocity. Yes, sir.
V is constant. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So again, don't copy all this. Shall I turn this?
No, sir, no, sir.
Yes. Right. Huh? మధ్యాహ్నం బ్రెడ్ పడి తెచ్చుకున్నావా? లవుతుందో ఎన్ని పడి ఏం చేద్దాం క్యారెట్ కూర వేసుకున్నావా అది బిస్కెట్ అండ్ అయిపోతే ఎర్లీకి వచ్చి లాంగ్ గ్యాప్ Right. Take it. Completed?
Sum of real forces are 0 because the acceleration of that particle is 0.
No. Here I gave this, no. Mg is balanced. Real forces means one is mg. These are real, no. Mg is real. Force on m by ground is also real.
Sir, if the particle is at rest, then all the sum of real forces will be 0, no?
Yes. What are this?
Sir, if
Yes,
the particle is
No.
moved-
You are standing on the bus. You are at rest only, no.
Yes, sir.
So anybody on the ground says that you are at rest only because some of the forces are balanced. But suddenly the bus moves. You feel that you are accelerating backward, no?
Sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Return this.
Completed,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Completed, sir.
Finish. See, sum of real forces means what? Mass of particle into acceleration of particle with respect to ground, because real forces always will be with respect to unaccelerated frame. Okay, if particle is at rest or moving with constant speed, moving with constant velocity with respect to ground, then what I can say, this is nothing but acceleration of particle with respect to ground will be zero now. Then sum of real forces on the particle is nothing but mass into zero. That is nothing but zero. Understood this? Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
So, for observer A and B, who is that? B. But for observer C,
Accelerating with minus MAI.
okay,
Sir, mass of particle into minus acceleration of particle with respect to ground mass, sir.
this one, huh?
First one, sir, first one.
Again, you are saying observer with respect to ground 1000 times I wrote, man. Not one.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes.
Why do you get confused? So C says
Sir, I thought that was particle. Observer, sir, with respect to
M is accelerating. Okay. Follow this?
sir. Yes, sir, followed.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Now, shall I turn this page?
1 minute.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Actually,
Sir?
this.
Sir, in case of a constant velocity, if sum of real forces is zero, then particle cannot keep moving.
Constant velocity. Why you can't move? A body continues to move with the same speed in the same direction. Only when you want to change, increase or decrease speed, or you want to change the direction. That means you're increasing or decreasing the speed or changing the direction. Means you're changing the velocity. You're changing velocity means there is an acceleration. There is an acceleration means that is force. Speed is not changing. Speed is not changing. Direction is not changing. Velocity is not changing. So acceleration will not be zero. Therefore, force will be zero.
Okay, sir.
Acceleration is zero doesn't mean the body should be at rest. It may move with constant velocity. If velocity changes, means speed may increase or decrease, or direction may change. Any of these three things will happen, we say that velocity has changed. Therefore, there is an acceleration. Because acceleration is nothing but change of velocity by time taken. Acceleration is there, there must be a force. No force, no acceleration, velocity remains constant. Either it may be zero, that means it may be at rest, or it may be moving in the same direction with the same speed. Understood this whole thing?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh?
Completed. Completed, sir.
See, remember this for
Just a minute.
one. See, velocity has speed. This is having direction. If this is not changing, then what will happen? Acceleration is 0. Okay, that means V is constant now. When both are not changing, what we say? Velocity is constant. Therefore, what is acceleration? Rate of change of velocity, that is 0. Okay, velocity is there. All this I explained, man. Speed, direction. This changes. So which acceleration will be there? Tangential acceleration exists. Remember, I proved all this.
Yes, sir.
Rate of change of speed exists. Okay, this is not changing. Or if this is changes, which acceleration will be there?
Centripetal acceleration.
Centripetal or radial or normal acceleration exists. Do you agree with this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
And that is equal to what? AR is, or AN also we call, or the other name is AC. Any of this is what? V square speed by speed of the particle whole square by radius of curvature. All this I told no. So remember that both are not changing, then only acceleration will be 0. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Force can either increase or decrease speed. That's all. The particle may be moving. Definitely acceleration is just force is 0. So force, the net force need not be there for a particle to set into motion. Followed?
Follow, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes. 1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
So force is 0. Force on particle is 0. Implies acceleration of particle is 0. This implies first one. That means if it is at rest, it will continue to be at rest. It will continue to be at rest. Okay. If direction not changing. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Because why I am saying so many times is acceleration is no way connected to velocity, but rate of change of velocity will be connected with acceleration. Follow this?
Yes, sir.
See, A person's birth is connected with the parent background. Okay, the rate at which his life grows doesn't depend upon the parent background or caste or anything, because you can see that there are very poor people who went to highest. You can see your Salman Khan is there, your hero. His starting salary is 50 rupees. Rajinikanth is a bus conductor. You are aware of all these things. Sonu Sood is a laborer. So the background doesn't mean the rate at which the life axle changes is different. So similarly, a body to set into motion, you need a force. Once it sets into motion, you remove the force. That means the body continues with the same speed and direction. Understood what I'm barking?
Yes, sir.
Followed?
Yes, sir.
Followed.
Yadama, ఇక్కడ వచ్చి followed this?
Yes, sir.
So once a body is set into motion, if the force stops acting, that doesn't mean the body will be at rest. It will be moving with constant speed.
Constant velocity.
That's the reason why you need accelerator. What does an accelerator do? It
Change
can
speed.
increase or
Changes.
decrease speed, and it can change direction. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
If acceleration is zero, is it necessary that force must what is that? Force must be zero.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
If velocity is zero, is acceleration zero or not?
Yes, sir.
Again, I told so much you're saying. See, you're projecting a particle with a velocity u from the ground. It reaches at the highest point. What is the velocity? Zero. But still it has a acceleration g.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
So there is no necessity that velocity is zero, acceleration is zero. This is one wrong presumption in school you have. And many people think if acceleration is zero, the body is not moving. If acceleration is zero, the body moves with constant speed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Sir.
Be very clear in these issues, no? Half of your physics is difficult because you learned wrong things in school. You should have not learned. Unnecessarily, the teachers taught nonsense. No, that is creating a trouble for you. Acceptance, inertia of learning. You never expected that Newton's laws will be like this, no?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
So you have seen that with respect to A and C, B, the particle is having net force of zero. But with respect to C, the particle is accelerating now. They can say that a reference frame, any reference frame in which a particle is in state of rest or uniform motion, that is moving with constant velocity. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understood this? Are called or defined as inertial reference frame. Follow this. Next, if the reference frame in which a particle does not retain constant velocity are defined as non-inertial reference frames. Understood this? Clear on it?
Clear, sir.
Everything is clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, here then this last point, the particle is moving with some.
This one. This one?
Yes, sir.
A reference frame in which a particle does not retain constant velocity. Does not retain a constant velocity means if it is at rest, it should be at rest. If it is in motion, it should be in motion with the same speed, with the same direction. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Till here, any doubts are there?
No, sir. Clear.
So observe your classmen. Already 4 or 5 people left. I don't know what
8
it is.
people, sir.
Huh?
8 people left.
8 people, sir.
8?
Sir.
26 no? No, earlier it is 31 no?
32, sir.
32.
32.
24.
Now
No,
24.
no, starting of the meeting I saw only 31 or 34. I didn't see.
Was
No, sir, it's
mentioned 32, sir.
32.
Every time they do the same thing. I can't understand how to change their life. Okay, anyhow.
They will join in middle and they will left in middle.
Okay, anyhow. God is there no, to take care of them. So you take care of yourself. 100% you will get so much disturbance. You wait for another 3 months. You feel like counting suicide. That is the subject of physics. Why I am taking so much care is people run away, man. Okay, anyhow, till here you followed now?
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
Right, right. We'll continue the next class. Now you have math class now. Right, get ready then. Take care. Bye.
Sir, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Tell me.
Sir,
Tell me. Hello?
We can write total force on a particle as sum of real forces plus pseudo forces, sir.
Yes, that is one, no?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye,
Sir,
sir.
if the particle is at rest, then net force will be only pseudo forces.
Yes, particle is at rest, then only pseudo force will be there. That's why only for C there is a pseudo force. A and B it is at rest only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, in the last and sir, in the last assignment, if you posted, no, there is jerks
Huh?
on differentiating acceleration. It gives jerk. What is jerk?
We'll see that. I didn't come up. I did not reach that. No, I'll come back to that. Wait. Okay.
Sir, one doubt.
Okay, sir.
Sir, excuse me.
Hmm.
Sir, in this page only, sir, in the top one, velocity equal to 0, acceleration may or may not be 0. Sir, if velocity is 0, acceleration is dv by dt, no, sir. Differentiation of velocity, no.
Hmm. Yes, correct only. Then?
Then in that, if we keep 0,
No. Well, we cannot keep like that. That's what I am saying. In calculus, sir will start now. Ask him, sir, if x is 0, dx by dt is 0 or not. He will give one. He has to explain that whole thing, limits, continuity. Now I think function started, no?
yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
remember that if x is 0, it doesn't mean that dx by dt should be 0. I told you. Velocity is 0. Here velocity is 0, no?
Yes,
Now
sir.
we can see that acceleration, which is nothing but dv by dt, is not equal to 0. Do you agree with this?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's what somewhere, some wrong concept, somewhere you learn, many students. Okay, anyhow, take care then. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.